Are you born in the year of the goat? Fame, popularity, a community that support your goals are coming for you in 2023. Keep watching. Welcome back. Thank you for staying. If you're born in the year of the goat, 2023 are fantastic year for you. Of course, the energy and the frequency and the vibrational energy is only there for you to activate. So stay there until the end. I'm going to show you exactly where to activate in your home, where to activate it through the meditations that I created for you. So I'm going to show you exactly what stars are coming for you, okay? So these are the stars that are visiting the goat in 2023. Relief God, 3 stages, Imperial Advisor, 8 seats, Elegant Seal, my favorite, and 2 stars that the name itself tell it everything. So don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to deactivate them at the end of the video, okay? So let's talk about the relief God. The relief God, it will help you to remove obstacles, to find solutions, maybe remove problems that you've been encountering in the last couple of years. So this is the year for you to maybe connect with yourself and go and look inwards and find out what is the root of the issues that you're facing. Maybe at work, maybe personal, maybe emotional, maybe physical. Whatever problem that you are facing, this year you have the frequency, the energy to heal and let go. You also have the 3 stages. One of the best stars to have if you are in a corporate ladder, trying to get promotion, working for somebody, and you have the case ready and you deserve it because you made the effort. And this is the year for you to apply for that promotion, to show your boss, your company that you can do more. This is the year to do it. If you have, you also have the Imperial Advisor. The Imperial Advisor is nobleman energy. So it's a year for you to grow, to become better and help other people with your skills, become more skillful. And also it's a great year for you to look out for communities, networking events, and create a community that support your goals and you support theirs. So it's a great year to connect with mentors and teachers, find courses that you need to help you in your career and your job. Or if you are starting your own business, or if you already have a business, maybe this is the year for you to find someone who can help you become better and do better. You also have the Elegant Seal, my favorite, because it's a creativity star. So in any profession in this world, we need to have creativity. If you're a doctor, you need to be creative. If you are a counselor, creativity is one of the most needed skill. If you are a teacher, you need creativity. Not just an artist need be creative. Every single profession, even an accountant, needs to have creativity. So it's a great year for you to creatively solve your problems with the Relief God and the Imperial Advisor. So you also have the Acids, one of the best stars to have if you are an artist or someone looking for fame, popularity, but depends where you have the goat. Then I'm gonna show you in a minute. But you have 2 bad stars that the name by themselves speak loud, 5 ghosts, and also have blood knife. But don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to deactivate those at the end, okay? So let's go and find out what is your Bazi chart looks like. So if you are born any of these years, then You have it on the year, but you may have the God in the month, in the day, or in the hour. So go to my link that is pinned on the comment section if you really like to learn more and find out what is your Bazi chart. Okay, so when this energy comes to our space, when we are affected by the energy, we are affected in our spirit because we are ultimately spirits having a human experience. So when we are impacted, whether it's positively or negatively, our experience affect us. We are impacted spiritually. So the person get impacted, the personality, the spirituality, the spirit. So is our actions. So if the energy is negative, of course the actions are going to be negative because the person get affected, the energy is low and the spirit is low. So if the energy is positive, our personality get vibrant, our spirit get high, and of course our actions and attitudes in life will take us to take positive action. So it's important to know what's coming, to prime ourselves, to help ourselves, to be prepared. What's priming? Priming is preparing. Priming is also train our mind with affirmations, incantations, positive vibes in our thinking, through the words by incantations, mantras, prayers, meditating, and also our activities, the things that we do, how we move on in life. And of course, the environment that we are in, the influence by the house, by the phone, so on the home, so the activities that we do. So it's important to know where the energies are, what is going on in our environment to help ourselves and be prepared. So suppose that you have the goat in the year, then maybe this year it's not you, but maybe it's your friends who become popular. Maybe they are the ones that are helped by other people. Maybe they are the ones that have the good communities and networking events. So connect with your friends, help, ask them to help you. Maybe they get promoted, maybe even they help you to get promoted, who knows. Maybe if you have the goat in the month, maybe is for your work, for your job, in your career. The things that you do become well known, become popular, and you get the benefits, right? You become a helpful person for other people, and people in your job, in your career environment, in your work can be the helpful people for you. Okay, so if you have the goat in the day, then you are the one who become popular, your personality, your ideas, your person. So if you are after fame, popularity, this is the year for you to find the ways to expose your job or your work or your image or whatever it is through whatever channel that you choose, whether it's social media or newspapers or through other people that promote you. You can be a little bit more popular around your group of friends, your family, if anywhere that you want to find popularity. If you have the good in the hour, or also if you have it in the day, maybe your spouse is the one who become popular. So if you have it in the hour, maybe then is your children who get popular, maybe your friends or people that's younger than you, that is close to you. Maybe people, if you are an employer, then maybe it's your employers get popular. If you are working with people who is more younger, maybe is someone near to you could get promoted and you just find out. So find out where is you go, what is it that you want, work on your plan, and most importantly, work what can you use from this information that can help you, right? So like I said, you have the elegant seal. So the elegant seal is one of my favorites. It's always active, giving you ideas. So if you have the goat in the hour, you can ask for an idea that help you to become popular, an idea that become popular by itself, and in return you can get some money, because the hour pillar is also the money pillar, investments pillar. So invest time in new ideas. And you also have the relief God. So solve a problem for someone, and because of that, you become more popular around people, and that's how you're gonna get benefits, right? So find out where you go, what's your plan, what you can use, and help yourself. Okay, take the actions. So this is all for this section. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna show you from now on what you can do. So download my book, is on the comment section, and also draw your floor plan, prepare your floor plan, and apply step by step exactly what's in my book. It's super simple. I make it as easy as I could, because you're gonna need this information right now. So if you have to find out where is the southwest and your floor plan of your house. So if you have the goat in the year on the day, is very, very important that the southwest sector of your home is a place that is not affected by any negativity from garbage bins or a missing sector or something that is not usable. It's better if that space is a bedroom that you can use to meditate, to pray, to study, or just to simply to that energy there is fluent. And yeah, so make sure that the energy there is not affected. And if it's a missing sector, and it's maybe you need to find the house, because if your missing sector is in the goat section, you're not gonna be happy in that house. Okay, you're missing out the good energy, the good feng shui that the rest of the house has. Okay, so I'm gonna after here this section, I'm gonna show you the activations through the meditation that I have prepared. If you really like this video, please make sure to subscribe, press the like button, share with family and friends, connect with me in my other social media accounts, ask me questions, and let me know which animal sign you have in there. Where do you have the goat? Ask me anything. Come to my Zoom meetings that I do every month for free. Subscribe to my channels, my email letter, and make sure to listen to the activations, because you have the five ghosts. I'm talking Spanish now. The five ghosts is an energy that is negativity from people, outsiders, people who don't believe in you, people who criticize you, people who is out there to just be bothered by themselves because you existence. So just give them a show, continue being happy, rise the vibration, protect yourself. Protection is very important. And you also have the blood knife. Blood knife is the one that it talks about the physical need to maybe remove something or heal something, because it's blood knife. So it's not a good start to have. That's why I created the activations and the activations. So make sure you go and listen to the meditation. I designed that meditation with binaural sound. It's a very powerful sound that takes you deep and fast on your unconscious mind, because remember, The unconscious mind governs 95% of our actions. So once you go into the meditation, you activate the energy pattern, they activate the energy that are low vibrational energies. You become aware, you become protected, you become active in a high vibrational energy. You can do this every week, every month, every day before you go to bed, anytime you need it. Okay. And that's it. So I hope that you enjoy. Or you can do your own incantations if you want, your own prayers, as long as you are protected and guided. Okay. And remember to please share with family and friends. Maybe someone need to activate the good energies. Be the light that the world needs to see. And I'll see you in my next